Alright, this should be the part where I'll start testing shit out. We'll make sure this works. Let's see if we can add some tunes. Right. I could possibly need a job. Let's hope all my controls haven't changed. Although this is going to be a very short video. Nice. Headlights. My beams. Oh, that's wipers. There we go. Alright, gearbox. First, second, third, fourth. 6, 6, 7, 8. No, we don't have them. We've only got 5. Reverse. Yep. Low. Alright, let's go. I just realised I need to adjust my seat. Just point at the gate and I'll do it. I like to be able to see a mirror at least. There we go. This is going to be a thrilling trip with all the red lights. Come on.
a lie and that's a fact. Life is a lemon and I want my money back. And all the morons and all the stooges with their coins, they're the ones who make the rules. It's not a game, it's just a route. There's desperation in the air, and it leaves a stain on all your clothes, and no detergent gets it out.
Typical my luck. I get pulled over by the weigh station.
And the movie's over, fade to black. Life is a lemon and I want my money back.
Damn coppers.
It's defective. It's always breaking in half. What about sex? It's defective. It's never built to really last. What about the family? It's defective. All the batteries are shot. What about the friends? They're defective. All the parts are out of stock. What about hope? It's defective. It's corroded and decayed. What about faith? It's defective. It's tattered and it's frayed. What about the gods? They're defective. They forgot the warranty. What about the town? It's defective. It's a dead end street to me. What about the school? It's defective. It's a packed up useless land. What about the work? It's defective. It's a crop and then you die. What about the childhood? It's defective. It's getting buried in the past. What about the future? It's defective. You can shove it up your ass.
You think I would have realised I had my high beams on the whole time? Oh,
It's all or nothing, and nothing's all I ever get. Every time I turn it on, I burn it up and burn it out. It's a never-ending attack. Everything's a lie and that's a fact. Life is a lemon and I want my money back.
I have a question. Why can't Americans do at least 100 kilometers an hour? Why is 60 mile like,
Through the cracks.
yep, happy point?
And the movie's over, fade to black. Life is a lemon and I want my money back.
I'm not being overtaken by another truck. Oh, copped a speeding ticket. There. I'll stick it to the Australian speed limit. 100k an hour. Tell the truck behind me I just did that. If anyone's wondering why my driving just got bad all of a sudden, it's because I realised I need a beer and I can't reach my fridge. Like this truck's wobbly. Totally playing for that oversteer.
Shouldn't have to
almost, I made it. Ask me what happened there. Well, this would definitely be my first time going into San Fran. Alright, I can see my GPS and I do not like the look of that. How the fuck do you guys do this?
Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, they're red, white, and blue. And when the band plays "Hail to the Chief," ooh, they point the cannon at you. Lord, it ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no senator, son. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one. No. Some folks are born silver spoon in hand. Lord, don't they help themselves, dog? But when the tax man comes to the door, Lord, the house looking like a rummage sale, yes. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no millionaire son, dog, no. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one, dog. Yeah, some folks inherit star-spangled eyes. Ooh, they send you down to war. And when you ask them, how much should we give? Ooh, the only answer, more. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no military son. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no
You'd like to hope that light would go green, wouldn't you? Hey, there we go. Nice.
Brothers and sisters, we're here for one reason and one reason alone: to share our love of music. I present to you country music without prejudice. Hey! Country boys don't rock and roll. Yeah, you'll never get it on the radio. Why they trying to complicate the simple music that we make? Oh, 'cause if it moves my soul,
Really, if I got a violation from stopping on the line, I'm gonna run it.
just wanna hear everybody sing at the top of your lungs till the windows break. Say hey, hey, hey. I ain't gonna shut my mouth. Don't mind if I stand out in a crowd. Just wanna live out loud. Well, I know there's got to be a few 100 million more like me, just trying to keep it free. Yeah. Hey, just wanna hear everybody sing at the top of your lungs till the windows break. Say hey, hey, hey. Charlie Brown
Random?
was the man in black. Rock and roll used to be about Johnny
Huh.
Cash. Yeah, what you think
So
about
they want this
that?
bitch.
Well, I'm a crazy son of a bad word, but I know I'm gonna make it big and rich. Yeah, I'm gonna let it rip.
That shouldn't be too hard. It will be. But oh, let's go.
Everybody sing at the top of your lungs till the windows break. Say hey, cowboy Troy.
Diggity diggity dum, dig this. Slicker than the grease from a barbecue brisket. Got more chalk than a fresh potato salad. You thought you had your answer, but your answer wasn't valid. You're looking at me crazy cause you think I'm loco. The big black cowboy with the crazy vocal. Todas las personas están gritando arriba. Now you heard it, now I know you a believer. Esta canción es para toda la gente. Muy importante a usar su mente. So let go of all your preconceived notions. Get up on your feet and put your body in motion. Cause back home, we love to dance. We can beat two-stepping or waving the trance. And when the party is crunk, the girls back it up. We got the systems in the cars and the 20s on the trucks. 6'4" with the cowboy hat. I don't mess around, yo, what's up with that? I'm Cowboy Troy, a Texas hit. And I'm rolling with the brothers, Big and Rich.
Go cowboy, go cowboy, go. Go cowboy, go cowboy, go. Hey, just wanna hear everybody sing at the top of your lungs till the windows break. Say hey, 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 hey. Just wanna hear everybody sing at the top of your lungs till the windows break. Say hey, hey, hey.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed.
Yes, I am a perfectionist. I will make this fit perfectly. As close as I possibly can. You never know, could be sleeping next to these guys tonight.
Stare at the fan, turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the
Kidding, I'm not sleeping here.
man. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I
Which button do I press for that?
Today I don't feel like doing anything.
see how this goes. Thank you for coming along for the drive.